The Trader and the Talking Snake. Once upon a time in the ruthless world of Forex trading, there was a man named Joe. Joe had a dream, to turn his $100 account into a fortune. But reality had other plans. No matter what strategy he used, trendlines, Fibonacci, support and resistance, he kept blowing accounts faster than a gambler on tilt. One day, after his 10th blown account in a row, Joe found himself sitting in the park, staring at the sky, questioning his life choices. "Maybe I should just get a normal job," he mumbled. But just as he was about to delete his MT4 app forever, he heard a strange voice. "PSST. Hey, you." Joe looked around. There was no one in sight. "Down here, genius." He looked down and nearly jumped out of his skin. A massive black snake was staring at him. "Relax," the snake hissed. "I'm not here to bite you. I'm here to help you become a profitable trader." Joe blinked. Maybe sleep deprivation was finally making him hallucinate. "A talking snake? And you know how to trade?" The snake flicked its tongue. "I've been around for centuries. I watched the first banks manipulate markets. I know the secrets of the smart money. I can teach you how to trade like the institutions." Joe's eyes widened. "You mean, no more stop hunts? No more blown accounts?" The snake nodded. "Only if you listen carefully and follow my rules." Desperate and slightly insane, Joe knelt before the snake like a disciple. "Teach me, O wise reptile." And so, the snake revealed a secret strategy. It involved sacrificing retail trader habits, no more indicators, no more emotional trading. Hunting liquidity like a predator, waiting for banks to take out stop losses before entering. Only trading at certain times when the big players were active. Joe was ecstatic. "This is it. I'm going to be rich." And for the first time in his life, Joe started winning. His $500 account grew to $5,000 in just 2 weeks. He was feeling unstoppable. But then, greed struck. One day, Joe saw a too-good-to-miss trade setup. The snake warned him. "Joe, don't enter now. Liquidity is not there yet. You're trading like a retail fool again." But Joe ignored the snake. "I got this. I'm the king of Forex." He went all in. His entire $5,000 account on one massive trade. And then, the market did what it does best, it spiked in the wrong direction, hitting Joe's stop loss before reversing. Account, wiped out. Joe stared at his screen in horror. No. 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 He turned to the snake. "You said this strategy was foolproof." The snake sighed. "It was. But I told you to follow the rules. You let greed take over." Joe fell to his knees. "Please, give me one more secret." The snake just flicked its tongue and started slithering away. "Wait." Joe cried. "What do I do now?" The snake paused. "You have 2 choices, accept your losses and learn, or keep chasing shortcuts and lose everything again." Joe wiped a tear. "So, no holy grail?" The snake laughed. "The holy grail was discipline, but you didn't want that. Later, loser." And with that, the snake disappeared into the bushes, leaving Joe alone with his empty trading account, his broken dreams, and an expensive lesson learned the hard way. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and follow for more.